Yes, hello folks, welcome back. I'm hoping you're doing well wherever you are. And of course, it is a good day. Now, you know, Albert Ojwang case is refusing to go down because Ojwang's death sparked fury in Kenya. And of course, till date, Kenyans have never forgotten how this young man was bludgeoned and of course beaten inside a police cell. And of course, I have been, talking about this issue in this channel severally. Now, see, this case is somehow twisting. And now, OCS Taalam, the OCS was Central Police Station, where of course Ojwang was taken akapigwa. Is the man to go down, and is the man who is being sacrificed. And of course, I have been saying this in this channel, that the government is actually sacrificing Taalam because the big fish can't be touched. And of course, we know that Langat is the person who is at the center of all this, because yeye ndo alituma polisi wakachukua Ojwang Mawego. And of course, the father said that, and the father is adamant that Langat is the person who, of course, orchestrated the demise of his son. He said that in an interview. So, you see now, the Ipoa, OCS Taalam accused the Ipoa na DCI wote kwamba they have, waliingia kwa simu yake wakasign in, and of course they've been swindling money kwa watu, kwa kikono watu, including his own family. Kama familia ya Taalam inapata messages za kutuma pesa, tuma pesa kwa hii number, you see, and yet ameshikwa ana hiyo simu. And Ipoa came out and wakasema hapana, we have not done that. And of course, one thing that came out from that story is that Ipoa was trying to, of course, manipulate his simu, delete evidence, erase kila kitu, just in case Taalam ataongea. Because Taalam angeamua kuongea, because akiona anafungwa na yeye alitumwa afanye hizo vitu. Yeah, maybe it was not his idea. It was just ordered by his boss. I want you to punish Albert Ojwang. So, akiona nenda jela, of course, he will have to mention the Langat's name. So probably that's why Ipoa took his phone, wakachukua, wakaribu kila kitu. But now here's the twist. It's now coming out that the person who did this is one Rono, Kipotich Rono. That alichukua simu, akaibia watu. Akatuma paka messages kwa lawyer wa Taalam, paka kwa Ombeta, Cliff Ombeta. So, Rono, this name was not there before, but now this name has come today, and now we are hearing Rono. This is my take. You see, this could be, the government, the system always has ways of getting out of trouble. Probably they want to, to kujitoa historia simu, because probably they have felt that Taalam will soon break down. Aseme, apana, I'm being sacrificed, but the person who planned all this ni Langat. Maybe that's the fear. Maybe, don't know. But now, they took the phone, wakaribu kila kitu, delete messages, probably they deleted call logs, so that in case Taalam aseme, hakutakuwa na evidence. No. And that's why, you see now, Rono is the person who is being accused of using the phone to swindle money from his family. And of course, we are not even sure if this Rono amelipwa kubali, ama amekelewa, ama niye. We're not sure about that, because this case imekuwa twist. And remember, right now, the people who have been arrested ni Mukwana, the Taalam. And of course, we had even the CCTV guy who of course went there and delete the footages. No. Just to, of course, the what wasione what happened in Jaya gate, because it is believed that Ojwang alipigwa Karura Forest, then akaletwa kwa police station, akamalizwa kwa police station. That's what is coming out here. So, here's my take now. If at all, this Toronto is the person who, of course, deleted these messages, mbona hakutajwa kitambo? Why is the name coming out now? Because the prosecution is saying that they need to hold him for 14 days, just to, of course, to investigate. But why was the deer arrested? Because imambo ya simu imekuja over 1 month ago. Hii simu kuswapiwa, kuibiwa nini kila kitu. over a month ago. So you see, this case is somehow mysterious. And I've been saying this in this channel that there's no way I'm seeing justice here. In fact, I'm not seeing justice done in this case. Because you and I knows how justice is supposed to be done in this case. We know the people who are being accused, the people whose names are on top of this case. We don't know that. But I am seeing a situation whereby hii kesi haitaenda popote. It won't go anywhere. And it is going to be very sad that Ojwang amezikwa na justice won't be done to his family or to himself, his death. And Meshack Ojwang, the father now, amezika mtoto wake, it's like now he's given up. Hata siku za mwisho story. Because what can you do? You can't fight the system. You're a poor man in the village. You can't do anything. You just have to leave it to God. And it is so unfortunate that the case is going down in the most, bizarre way. I mean, it's not even going to, make sense, because the government has refused to follow up justice case. Because if President Ruto, I have to mention him because he's the head of state, if President Ruto wanted, this case equine justice, President Ruto would have ordered even the resignation of Langat. President Ruto angeambia mapolisi washoot protesters who are protesting for justice ya Langat. You see now how the twist is coming out now. So I'm saying Ojwang's case is actually a mysterious one, and I'm not seeing justice as I'm concerned, because we know how Kenya works. The powerful people are the ones who enjoy life in Kenya, but the weak pay with their bodies. No. Kama hauna pesa, you will pay na mwili wako, utenda jela. But kama uko na pesa, you're untouchable. Kama uko na power, you're untouchable. Kama you are holding a big office, you're untouchable. And that's the nature of Kenya. Maisha ya Kenya, you see? So, I have to tell me, do you think Rono is a person who used Taalam's phone to, of course, manipulate kuibia pesa? Ama do you think hii phone ilichukuliwa ndo mavitu zidilitiwe so that in case Taalam atalipuka aseme hapana, sidi jela, I was sent by Langat, watasema hapana, prove it. You won't be able to prove because simu tayari imeswapiwa. And remember, the government asked the Safaricom now of the kila kitu. So it is still not making any sense. See now. So that's what I'm saying. Taalam is like he wants anataka kusema ukweli. Unaona? Lakini anafinyiliwa aseme ukweli. That's my take here. And Taalam, remember, Taalam dossiers na yeye pia alituma Mukwana. Kwa sababu Mukwana ndo alisema Taalam alimpea kazi ya kutafuta watu wa kupiga Ojwang. Alisema yeye mwenyewe hivyo. So it's like Mukwana, Taalam now yeye pia anataka kusema mwenye alimtu. It's a chain. Mukwana wafungwa waliambiwa wapige Ojwang. Wakapiga wakamaliza, unaona? Na wafungwa waliambiwa na Mukwana. Na Mukwana aliambiwa na Taalam. So Taalam imestop kwa Taalam. So the fear is Taalam can say the person who sent him. And that's where the fight is. That's why you see now he's being silenced na njia zote. No. So tell me, do you really believe that Ojwang will get justice? I mean, you need to be honest with you need to be candid with me. Do you believe Ojwang atapata justice kwa kesi? Ama should we be patient? And we should ignore all these twists we are seeing in this case. I mean, you need to hit me in the comment section. And of course, take your time, subscribe, so that we always meet here whenever we have these breaking stories pertaining what happens in our Kenya's political landscape and our Kenya's scene. Subscribe, and of course, we meet in the next video. Thank you.